Good morning, students. This is the video of class 7 subject science. So in the previous video we have seen the process of photosynthesis, and also we have done one experiment, that is to test a leaf for the presence of starch. That means we have conducted one experiment that starch is present on a leaf or not. So we have successfully done that experiment. So today we are going to do another experiment, that is to test that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. That means, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of making food for the plant. Now while preparing food, chlorophyll is necessary or not? Now what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is already present in the leaf. Now let's see. There are a lot of points written over here. You don't need to see these points, just I will tell you in very short method. So let's see what are the materials needed. First, one leaf is needed, white paper is needed, iodine solution is needed, beaker is needed, test tube is needed, one burner is needed, and test tube holder is needed, alcohol and water. See, I don't think that you need all these things. Just you need some of the things. Whatever we have done in the previous activity, that leaf at the last when we have dropped the iodine solution, that means some patches were coming just like here, that means this portion becomes bluish in color. So that what we are telling, that black bluish and the whatever that is coming, that means indication of starch was present. Do one thing, just take that leaf only. So right, and now we have taken that leaf. Now just click a photo from your mobile. Now we are having that photo. Now do one thing, just leave that leaf, that means the previous leaf, into the scorching sun for 6 hours. After 6 hours, just take that one leaf. Now again match that leaf with the previous leaf, that means with the photo, and just put some iodine on that leaf. That means after that, after putting iodine, you will get that the whole leaf become blue black. Now that blue black is the indication that it is having the, that means over there the chlorophyll is present. But in the white, that means this portion, now in these portions there is no chlorophyll. That means this was the whitish portion, but over here this was the greenish portion, this one is also greenish portion. When we have put the iodine, we have got that there is a starch present. So when there is a starch present, there is a chlorophyll is also present. So see what is written in the observation. Only the part of the leaf which were green get stained black bluish with iodine solution. That means the white affected area, here it is pointed. So the white area is not having the chlorophyll or not having any starch. So the result comes here, starch is present only in region which were green in color. Chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. So we have completed this one. That means we have got the result that chlorophyll is necessary for the photosynthesis. So one more, I think, activity we are having. Let's see, let's complete that one also. And this one is important too. So the activity is to test that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Now in the previous one we have seen that the chlorophyll, but here comes the carbon dioxide. Now where is the carbon dioxide present? Carbon dioxide is present in the atmosphere, open atmosphere. So let's see what are the materials required. Glass bottle, cork, caustic soda. Here caustic soda, that means the potassium hydroxide. We are having this solution in our lab. Test tubes, beaker, test tube holder, burner, iodine solution, alcohol, water, all these things. Now, no need to see these things. I'm telling you in short and interesting method. Do one thing, just take a glass bottle. Okay, that means it should be made up of glass. Now, just put a cork. Cork means we can say the rubber type. Okay, and it must have a hole in just the middle, just like this one. And here must be one hole. So put that in the mouth part. Now before putting this cork, just do one thing. In that glass, just put some potassium hydroxide. Now what it will do, over here in the glass there is carbon dioxide present. So whenever potassium hydroxide gets the carbon dioxide, it absorbs the carbon dioxide. So it will absorb here. Now put the cork over here. Now with that hole, just take a leaf, just whatever it is shown in the diagram, just take a plant and just put some amount of leaf just under this one. Now just leave it for 12 hours. Now after that you will see that the part of the leaf which was inside the bottle do not turn blue black. That means the inside part, the leaf that is inside the glass, that is not getting the carbon dioxide. So when it is not getting the carbon dioxide, it will not turn into blue and black solution after giving the iodine. So this one become blue and black. So by performing this experiment, we have got that carbon dioxide is necessary for the photosynthesis. So let's see what the results come. The leaf portion inside the bottle failed to synthesize the food. It had chlorophyll, sunlight, water, but was deprived of only carbon dioxide. That means he was having all the things, but he was not having the carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is essential for plant to carry out the photosynthesis. So for preparing food, carbon dioxide is also a necessary material. So the last experiment we are going to perform here in this video. After this one, we will move to the other part. So the here it is light is necessary for the photosynthesis. Now in the first activity we have done with the chlorophyll, second one with the carbon dioxide. Now it's time for the light. Material required: a well watered potted green plant, black paper, pair of scissors, clips, test tube, beaker, test tube holder, water, burner, iodine solution and alcohol. So just see the procedure. Leave the plant in a dark place for 3 to 4 days to discharge it. That means you have to take a pot with a flower or with a leaves. So do one thing, just put that one just in your room. That means the light should not enter over there. So after 3 to 4 days you will get that that means what we can say na, murjha jana. So you will just get that leaf just like that. That means they are not having any energy, or they are not getting any energy from the external environment. So in the next point it is written, fix the paper on one of the leaf as shown in the diagram. Now what you have to do, just here you have to take a paper and just roll it down, roll it in a section of a leaf. Now again do one thing, just take this pot and just put it in the scorching sun, under the scorching sun. So after 4 to 6 hours you will get the result that this whole thing become blue and black, or it will turn into green in color if we don't use iodine. But if we remove this one, the white part, that means the paper part, we will get that that means it is not having the blue and black color, it is having, that means different color, just like brown color, that means the dead part. So observation, the entire leaf except the covered part turned into black and blue and black. So starch was not formed in the cover part of the leaf. Starch is produced only in the area that receive light, showing that light is necessary for the photosynthesis. So from this experiment we have seen that the light is necessary for the photosynthesis. See students, if you are listening about this experiment, it's a little bit boring, that how it is telling that this one. So by listening these things, this is boring. But if you will do your own activity in your lab, so when the school will open, we will perform this activity in our lab. So when we will do this experiment, at that time you will enjoy. So we have finished our today's video.